Ciao picciotte e picciotti!
Ciao!
Happy to see you again! Happy
Me
Sunday
too.
from Sicily! Ciao
Happy
Maria!
Sunday, happy holiday.
Maria is the grandmother of all Sicily lovers.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You make it cry. I love you. I love you very much.
She's very happy, and also Junk and I are very happy for this live broadcast because we are going to make crushed seasoned olives, alivi schiacciati
Alivi
cunzati.
schiacciati cunzati. Green olives.
Oh, Maria, she just picked
Yes.
this beautiful.
Dirmona I pick.
Of course, they are organic, they are fresh.
Yes.
Because as you can see, Maria has a beautiful garden, and so she collected these olives from her garden.
Yes.
But before to start, Maria, please.
Yes.
Let me thank all our friends.
Okay.
As you know, one beautiful lady, Jerry Genovese, started a fundraising for us on GoFundMe.com. And we receive some donations to keep traveling around Sicily and show you the best of our beloved island. And if you would like to help us, you can make a donation. Even $1 is great, and you can make a donation anonymous. And we want to dedicate each live broadcast to one of our donators. And so this time we would like to dedicate this live broadcast to Alisa Spatafora. Alisa Spatafora is a friend. She came to Sicily last February. They were our last clients before this pandemic, and their roots are in Caccamo. So this time I'm in Caccamo with Maria, and so this is dedicated to you. And now let's learn how to make alivi schiacciati con Maria.
Okay, we start.
Wait for me.
Okay, I show you how smash. See?
So first of all, you have to crush.
One by time.
So take your olive and crush.
Yes.
Them.
Yes. Yes.
Maria,
See?
Slowly, Maria, because
Okay.
I cannot see right now. Okay. So you need a sea stone because it's.
See?
A sea stone is very hard, and it's tough. What can I say?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And of course, it's very smooth.
Okay.
Smooth. Sorry. Guys, please check in the write in the comments if you can hear us, because today is very windy here in Caccamo, and of course Maria is wearing a microphone.
And pour in the butter.
So the first step is to crush your olives. Then you can put them into a jar.
Yes.
This jar is about, let me see, it's about 980 grams. It means about 35 ounces. And so we are going to fill this jar.
Yes.
What about the harvest this year, Maria? Because last day we made a live broadcast with Janka, and he has not olives this year. Is also
Me
a
too,
poor
me
harvest
too.
for you?
Me too, little bit, and not very good. Are smaller. This year not good.
Because
This year are little because of no rain, and the weather not was good.
let me show also the beautiful countryside, the beautiful landscape. Over there, normally we can see Mount San Calogero, but today is a little bit cloudy, and so we cannot see Mount San Calogero, but we can see the beautiful Mediterranean Sea. Maria, you just live in the paradise.
Yes, yes, it is.
I want to live here with you to enjoy this beautiful landscape and also to have a good meals, terrific food with you, Maria, because as
Yes.
you know, Maria is a terrific cook.
Thank you.
We had our first virtual cooking class and Sicily Lovers meeting in
Yes.
September with Maria.
I was very happy.
And Maria was a good teacher. We
Thank
received
you. Thank
a
you.
lot of congratulations.
Thank you. I was very emocionada.
Very thrilled, Maria. Every time Maria is going to cry, it's
Yes.
like me.
Yes.
Tears fell down very easily. A che punto siamo, Maria?
Okay. Now it's full. See? And we pour water.
So when your jar is full
Yes.
of olives,
Yes,
you,
like this.
you have to add water,
Yes.
and your olives must be totally covered by
Yes.
water.
Yes. And then you cover and close very well. Okay. Now it's very close.
Oh, e che cosa dobbiamo fare? So,
Now we con some olive.
wait, but before I want to say the process.
This
So,
for 5 days you change every day the water. The first 2 days no put the salt. The third
okay,
day.
let me translate again. So,
Okay.
you need to close your jar, and
Yes.
for the first 2 days, you
Change.
don't have to put salt. You
No.
just have to change
Water.
the water every day.
Yes.
Then, after 2 days,
Yes.
you have to add 1 teaspoon of salt.
Yes, but they change every day water.
And you have to change every day the water and add 1 teaspoon of salt for this
Yes.
quantity.
Yes.
So the first 2 days only water and change the water every day, and then the other 3 days you have to add 1 teaspoon of salt and change the water. After the first 5 days, you have to wait other 10 days to eat them. So, of course, Maria has already did this for us, and so it's time to season our olives. So
Okay.
after 15 days, you have to wash them and let them dry, right?
Yes. Yes.
Into
For-
colander.
Yes. For go away the water.
to dry them.
Yes, yes.
1 hour,
Let me
Maria?
see this. When they put the salt in the butter, they move a little bit.
Okay. When you put the salt in your jar, you have to mix to...
Yes, a little bit. Okay, it's enough.
And so after 15 days, you can wash your olives and
Yes.
let them dry in a colander for
Yes.
1 hour, more or less.
Yes, before you put everything to condition, to consi,
Season.
take away this.
So you have to take away,
See?
of course,
I don't
the
know.
stone.
Okay.
Now Maria is going to teach you 2 recipes.
Yes, I am
Of
very
course,
glad.
Of course, in Sicily you can find a lot of recipes on how to season olives because, as you know, Sicily is a melting pot of traditions, and so you can find a lot of recipes. These recipes belongs to Maria's grandmother,
Yes,
and so she's very happy to share these recipes with
yes,
you.
yes,
Dear
yes.
Sicily lovers,
We can make different recipe with the olive. Okay.
thank you, Michelle. Take the pit out. So, in the meantime, I'm going to explain the ingredients for the 2
Okay.
recipes.
Okay.
So, for the first recipe, you will need garlic, mint, and red hot chili pepper.
If you like it,
And for the second recipe, you will need onion, carrot, celery, and red hot chili pepper.
and vinegar,
Then you need vinegar,
olive oil,
of course, extra virgin olive oil, and salt, oregano, and a little bit of sugar. So let's start with the first
the
recipe.
first is mint, garlic, red pepper, hot pepper. Okay, you can cut it gross, not too small.
So you can cut the garlic into
Yes.
two parts.
3 maybe.
2, 3,
Okay.
it depends on the size, of course.
Yes, yes. Not too small. Because if you don't like, you take away.
So, okay.
Okay. Okay, we put here. Mint.
Chop the meat.
Yes. Okay, not too small.
Maria likes very much the
Yes.
red hot chili pepper, and so she...
Not too much, a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. Oregano. I take this way because I smile very. Rosella, see?
Mm.
I like
What a
it.
good smell.
Yes, like it's fresh. Okay. Now, a little bit of sugar.
1 teaspoon?
In this less, because
Half a
I
teaspoon.
like this.
Okay,
F.
a pinch of salt, of sugar, sorry.
Sugar is little bit, not too much. Then olive oil.
From your garden, right?
Yes, always.
This is olive oil from the
My
last
garden.
harvest, last year.
Yes. A vinegar.
And vinegar.
To taste, if you like more, you put more. I put a little bit.
Of course, there is not the right amount for these ingredients because it's up to you. It's just to test.
Yes.
So again, we have oregano, mint,
Yes.
garlic, red hot
Sugar.
chili pepper,
Yes.
and a pinch of sugar, extra virgin olive oil, and vinegar.
Yes.
And this is the first recipe. Thank you, Maria.
Thank you. Thank you for following me. Now we have other olives.
Oh, this is the second recipe, the
Yes.
second one.
Yes. And next time I show you the black olives.
Oh, this is a good promise, Maria.
The black olives and another olives.
So chop the celery.
Yes. This no, because I say hard. Oh, the wind take away the cellar.
It's very windy today. Look, for example, this beautiful fig tree, of course, is empty because also in Sicily is autumn, but as you can see, the tree are still green.
Ok, mettiamo la cellar.
Add the celery to your bowl.
Yes, yes. Now we cut the.
Into small slices, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
not chopped, but cut it into small slices. Oh, we have a lot of people saying you hello. Larry Caro, ciao Smith.
Thank you,
Ciao.
thank you.
Leslie, ciao Liu, ciao Caterina, ciao Michelle, ciao Elisa, ciao Ezio. Oh,
Everybody,
All
everybody.
Tornatore and Ellen Cremasco. Ellen Cremasco was one of the participants that enjoyed the cooking class, the virtual cooking class with Maria last September.
See, not too small, small. See?
Ciao Antonina. So it's time to add the onion to your olives.
Yes.
I don't know if you can hear, but birds are singing here. Ciao, Elvira.
Ciao.
And now it's time to chop the red hot chili pepper.
Yes.
Ciao, Matteo. Also, Matteo is watching us.
Oh, thank you, Matteo.
So in the second recipe we have at this moment celery, red hot chili pepper, onion, and
Carrots.
now Maria is going to add a carrot. Also in this case the quantity of the ingredients is up to you.
Yes.
Because,
If you like it more.
yes, you can add more. Just test and find the right balance for you, because everyone has the own balance, and so it's up to your taste, to your preferences. Today in Sicily is All Saints. Maria, how many hours you have to wait to taste?
1 day.
Oh, this is important, guys.
One day.
Okay, so you don't have to heat.
Right away.
You have to wait at least 1 day to heat them, because all the ingredients need to be absorbed by the olives.
Okay. Little bit of sugar.
Just a pinch of sugar.
Yes. And this a little bit of salt, because the carrots and the onions need a little bit of salt.
And add just a pinch of salt as well.
Just a little bit. For the carrots and onions. Vinegar.
Vinegar.
About 1 tablespoon. Okay.
Ciao Agnese, ciao Joseph.
Olio. If you like it more, you put more.
Wow.
I like it more.
Extra virgin olive oil.
Yes.
And of course,
Oregano.
oregano.
See, nice color and nice taste, very good taste. The smile is very, very good.
The smell is good, and
Yes.
also the taste.
See,
Thank you, Maria.
my olive. Olive conzati. Olive conzati siciliane.
Upitittu fanno rapidi, è vero?
Yes. I hope you like it.
Wait for me, Maria, so we can say bye-bye to our friends.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, I'm in trouble with my gimbal. Mmm, so tasty! Che bello sciauro! Upititto farà per a
Mangia,
tutti!
mangia sono. Mangia, mangia.
And if you come to Sicily, of course, you will taste Maria's olives.
Yes, I am very happy. All the way, I am very happy. Thank you for following me.
Guys, thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. If you want to help us, visit gofundme.com and you can make a little donation. Everything will be great. Even $1. We love you. Maria,
Thank you. Everybody, thank you to follow me. Thank you very much. I would like to cry, but no, I don't cry. Love
us
us
and
and
kisses
this
from
for you.
Sicily.
Only USA.
And Canadian and Australia.
Yes.
You have followers from around the world.
Thank you,
Even
thank
Europe.
you.
Everybody follow you.
Thank you very much. Thank
Ciao.
you.
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers.
I love you. I love you.